The DS18 G6.9Xi Coaxial speakers deliver an impressive sound experience with a maximum power handling of 180 watts and RMS power handling of 60 watts. Constructed with a durable steel basket, these speakers are designed to withstand even the toughest conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance in any vehicle. The Mylar balanced dome tweeters provide crystal-clear highs and the ability to reach frequencies as low as 35 hertz, offering a well-rounded sound experience. These speakers can be effortlessly installed, designed to integrate seamlessly into both amplifiers and most factory settings, enhancing your car's audio system with ease. Featuring an innovative three-way design with 2 tweeters per speaker, the G6.9Xi offers a full-range quality without requiring a large power supply. With its immersive sound quality, the DS18 G6.9Xi captivates listeners with rich, precise audio that brings your favorite tunes to life.